Okay, students, we have completed 3.3. Let us start 3.4. Let us march part 1. This is the best example of speech given by Kailash Satyarthi. Do you know about Kailash Satyarthi? Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian worker who has, Indian social worker who has worked for the children. Kailash Satyarthi has received the greatest Nobel Prize for his work for the children. Satyarthi has worked for liberation of the children. Liberation of the children, do you know? There is a law against the children as worker. If you put the children, if you keep the children as worker, then it will be against the law. And Kailash Satyarthi has liberated such children from their slavery. In the world, children are forced to do illegal work, illegal things by the society and by some people. The reason is poverty, we know. It is because of the poverty, the children go to work instead of going to school. Parents have not enough money to run their families, to run their houses, and so they ask or they force their children to go to work so that they will help them in running their houses. Kailash Satyarthi has rescued so many children from such work and enabled their children to go to the school, to take the education. In the first part, Satyarthi is going to deliver his speech before the distinguished members of Norwegian Nobel Committee, delegates from so many countries, and some children presented there. When the Nobel Prize was received by the committee to Satyarthi, then the committee asked him to deliver a lecture before them. Then he started his lecture there. Before starting his lecture, he said, "My dear children of the world," instead of giving the respect to the king of Spain, Norway, the Queen of Norway, and the delegates of other countries, the VIP persons of other countries, he started his speech with "My dear children of the world." That is, he respected the children. "Your Majesty," then he respected the King of Norway. "Your Majesties and Your Highnesses," that is the Queen, "Excellencies, distinguished members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, dear brother Tom Hawking, brothers and sisters, and my dear daughter Malala." Do you know about Malala? Pakistani girl who worked for the education of girls in Pakistan. Girls are not allowed to take education in Pakistan. Malala fought against it. She was attacked by the terrorists and it was very serious matter. She was seriously injured and she was admitted in England for her treatment. She was cured from it and she worked for the benefit of the girls, the education of the girls. When the speech started, then he says, he calls the podium, that is the stage, and where he was going to deliver the speech as the podium of peace and humanity. It was the stage of peace and humanity. That is, all the delegates, all the people who come there on that stage or who come for the program were related with peace and humanity. He says, a mantra from ancient texts of wisdom Vedas recited by him carries a prayer and inspiration and asks to liberate humanity from all man-made crises with potential. Again, he asks everyone to work together to pursue the global progress, and everyone should be related with this progress. Satyarthi is the proud of Indian Vedas, Indian culture. And so he says, the mantra he received from ancient texts of wisdom, and he recited mantras, and these mantras have the prayer in which the children should be, or the humanity should be liberated. Humanity should be independence from all man-made crises, all man-made problems, all man-made difficulties. Then Kailash Satyarthi says that we all should work together to progress, global progress, and everyone should be related with this progress. Kailash Satyarthi asks everyone to speak together, to take minds together, to learn experiences from ancestors, and to create knowledge that will be useful for everyone. Again, he explains the importance of togetherness, importance of unitedness. If we united, we stand. If we divided, we fall. We should be united for global progress as well as to speak something. We should speak together and we should take the minds together to learn experiences from the ancestors. When I speak something, I mind something, it would be from my ancestors' thoughts, my India's culture, my country's culture, and it will create the knowledge that will be useful to everyone. For this purpose, he bows, he salutes his late parents, motherland India and Mother Earth. That is, our motherland gives everything to us, our Mother Earth gives everything to us, our parents also give us everything. He says that he recalls thousands of times how he has liberated or made free a child from slavery. After freedom, he has seen the beautiful faces of those children like God's smile. He has tried his best to liberate the child from slavery. Everywhere, wherever he has gone, he has tried his best to save the child from slavery, from work. And when he